How to set up a VPN without an app on any iPhone. Let's get started. First, open Safari and search for VPN Gate on Google. Tap on the first website. Then pinch in with 2 fingers to zoom the page. Select the country you want to add. Make sure to choose a server with a stable connection and good speed for the best experience. Now open Settings. Scroll down and tap General. Scroll down again and tap VPN and Device Management. Next, tap VPN, then tap Add VPN Configuration. Tap Type and select L2TP. Go back and enter VPN in the description field. Then return to the browser, copy the server address and paste it into the server field. Now enter VPN in the remaining fields. Select Auto and tap Done. Double check that all the information has been entered correctly before saving the configuration. Turn on the VPN toggle to connect. The VPN is now connected. Let's check if it's working. Go to any IP lookup website and check your IP address. If the displayed location matches the server you selected, the connection has been set up successfully. As you can see, the VPN is working successfully. That's it. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.